Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and welcome to this comparison tutorial on Cisco SD-WAN. Today we are going to dive deep. We are just looking and slide. We're going build and fully functional SD-WAN fabric from the group one. Okay, let's look or lab the topology. We are using Cisco Modeling Labs CMLs to this demo. Okay, we have controller setting is a management subnet. For the transport, we have two parts: a simulation public internet and the private MPLS cloud. We will be onboarding to DICE, a headquarter HQ, and a remote branch. Ensure your NTP is sensed across all nodes. If clocked off, the certification will fail and your public will never from. Notice that the organization name must be identical across every single device. If there even a small typo, the details tunnel one established. Okay, next we move to the management GUI where navigation administration setting to configure our certification authoring. For this lab, we are using an enterprise root case while the certification will install it vManagement, vBound, and vSmart. There will begin to cross, then otherwise the main dashboard you want the control case to from 0 to up. How far the exciting part, bringing Embrace online, we have a edge router and ESP4 key or satellite key and the real world scenario. You did the 0 to province or ZTV, but today we will do a manual bootstrap. Okay, standardizing your network is why we use SD-WAN. We will know how create filter template, installing on typing IP address on every router. We create a template for the interface and use variable likes. Finally, let's talk about application aware routing or AAR. We want our business critical traffic like Zoom or Office to always take the path with the loss in latency. We create our central policy and file management latency and jitter. And if the internet link degraded and the routing simply flip to the MPLS with both the use of further notification. Okay, let's verify our Yuk locking on the vManager network tab. We can see beautiful map of our tunnel. We can see about the Redlit robot application performance. We have successful by a Cisco SD-WAN environment when the convert the architecture control setup at onboarding and policy management and the foundation allow and you scale to start of the channels. We are just doing a quick lap. We are going for a scalable Cisco SD-WAN with tele development. If you've been following the CCNR or CCNP nursing, page you know that SD-WAN of the portal interface networking. Okay, before we pay the CLI, like load and the login or the traditional network, every router mic is the of the session and is the one we centrally have the vManage and vSmart for the routing policy. Or the connection thing vBond as the after the introduce the router the control. Now that the CLI is set, let the log do vManage. The GUI, the inversion, the admin, but you should change the embedded. We need to make this device to the other side. We don't have this matter of the grade account for the lab. We will as the your root CI. I'm going to generate to CRI certification signing request for vSmart and vBond, Sectem, vManagement, and install then debug. We use color to identify the patch and they set the gigabit the internet to color public internet and use is the noshit command the router will it at Vbolt will check in the router outer measuring for the router high gold tech to manage the IP. This the magic of the zero the philosophy. Now let's bring a brand device online. Imaging and the router is 1 million. Always we will need to configure it to transport set, which is VPN 0. Ways use color to identify the patch. I will set gigabit to interface to color public. The other internet the Yoshio Norman we about Vbon will check in the router. Other is the small. Even the you help to go the vManagement. This the magic of zero to philosophy. Okay, the network is up but is smart. Let's the create an application every routing policy. We want to tell the network if my MPLS is the launcher, Pyslog, Mozilla, Microsoft Team, and Zoom traffic of the business internet. We immediately with doing to the policy. We will the define SL class, set your trouble out and appeal the on the public and yeah the video call for dropping endurance. Let the ferry with the show SD1 control connection and the edge router that we have session with the smart for the everything is the green on the dashboard and yeah we have converted a lot in 14 minutes from basic to CLI, everything the SD1 is the massive topic, but as you understand the relation between the controller, the rest in just templating and polishes. If you want the Intel will do certification or tunnel, drop the comment below. I will do to help and you don't forget to save your last take. Okay, the notice they use on the undercuff is the organism name. You must remember that the XLT now I will replicate the vSmart and vBoard will this control but like the discuss why the separate the plans by keeping the brain vSmart away from the hand one edge we can update polish it with every drop effect and this is usually where people get the standard SD1 word welcome the certification that is the red passport and we're going into the vManage administration setting switching the certificate authority manual now I can reach for first smart and demonstrating the process I take the site the mount the root CI and with the can back FA control status and the dashboard and correctly and zero the install and the controller handle we should see the number. Image your board size, answer the CAI video calls the never. We going the pollution boulder in the five traffic data police and the zoom of web traffic and then if the can story and the was before the play police and updating every router and global network in let's verify our handword the router and the manageable dashboard we will be agreed. We can see your tunnel are up and your policies are active and the deployment the just the beginning the real power of Cisco SD1 the invisibility and control and unit hover the traffic. We were conferring today from this elbow strap to certification management policies. Okay, maybe thank you. These are for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.